everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Today I want to show you how to make a really quick and easy teacher gift. Now with the end of the school year coming, or maybe you're thinking about going back to school already, this is super quick and simple thanks to these Cricut iron-on designs, and we're going to be using the Cricut EasyPress too. You literally can make this in just a couple of minutes, and you can use any design, so it's not limited to teachers. Maybe you want to make it for a birthday gift, for Mother's Day, all sorts of different occasions. So I've chosen the teacher one. I have a bag here ready to go, and using the EasyPress, now you have two options to choose your settings. You can download this guide, and I'll put a link to it in the video description for you, that tells you all the settings you need, or there is a little handy dandy phone app, which is my preferred way to go. So I just go into the app that you can see on your screen now. You select the iron-on designs. You go for, I have a cotton poly blend bag here. I'm using the EasyPress mat. You can also use a towel underneath. And there you can see it tells you pre-wash the items, set your temperature, which I've done, preheat, apply firm pressure, how long for. I'm going to show you how to do all those settings in a second. Then you're going to flip your material, peel off cold, and allow to dry for 24 hours. Isn't that simple? It tells you everything there. That's why I like using that little website. Again, I'll place the link in the video description for you. So now let's talk about the EasyPress itself. I have the new limited edition light pink EasyPress in the 9x9 size here. They come in 3 different sizes. This is the medium size, as I say, limited edition light pink. Of course, all those links will be in the video description as always for you. So to set your temperature, you just press the temperature button and you press up or down. I've already set mine to the 340. And then you press your time button. This needs 50 seconds and then 15, and then again up, down. When it gets to the right temperature, it will beep at you. So this is in Fahrenheit, the European versions are in centigrade, and the app will tell you both options. Also, when it's up to temperature, your C light will turn green. So now we're ready to position everything into place. As I mentioned, I'm working on the EasyPress mat. You can work on a towel, but you'll find you get better results if you work on the EasyPress mat. Again, this comes in 3 sizes. You can just buy the larger size, and then of course that's going to work with all of the mats. So I'm going to place my bag on here, like so, and then we'll open up our iron-on design. So it comes in lots of different options. There's glittery ones, there's unicorns, there's teacher options, tons of different things available to you. So I'm going to center up my Teach, Love, Inspire here, just like this. And I'm going to lift up my EasyPress. It's really not very heavy at all. I'm going to place it down over my image like this, firm pressure, and I'm going to press my C button, which means that it's going to count down. So it's just going to count down my 50 seconds for me, so I don't have to do any counting, anything like that. Makes it really nice and easy. So we're down to our 35, and I really like this. So I do have all sizes of EasyPress. As I say, you get, this is the 9x9, so this is the medium. There's a small size, and there's a larger size, which is a little bit wider and a little bit, so it goes outwards, and it goes kind of that way too. So it's kind of bigger in every direction. I will link them all in the video description for you. Plus, of course, any coupon codes that I have for you, all those options will be down there for you too. So you can check out all of that. I'll link up the mats, and I'll link up those iron-on designs. So you can go and check all of those out, and I'll link up the bag that I used. So it's beeped at me that we've done our 50 seconds. So I'm going to lift this off. Then it tells me to turn it over and do 15 seconds. So I'm just going to use the counter that I already have on there for my 15 seconds. I can see roughly where I put it before. I'm going to press my C. So I just want to count this down to 35 rather than the full 50. Again, really, really easy. So we're down already 10, 5 more seconds and we'll be there. And it also comes with this plastic tray, so you can just stand your EasyPress on here and you're not going to do any harm to your surface either. When you're done, you just press that power button and it will cool itself down. You can then just pop it to the side and allow it to cool down. Now these you want to peel off cool. So what I like to do is pop it onto my glass mat. That will help it cool down much, much quicker. If you're anything like me, you're an impatient crafter and you want it to cool down nice and quickly. If you place the heat side down first, you'll find that cools down really, really quickly. You just kind of want it cool to the touch. So So we'll just wait for this to cool down for a second. And then we're going to want to peel this off. You're going to want to wait at least 24 hours for this to kind of set onto your fabric. So don't wash or do any of those things within 24 hours. And when you do start washing it, turn your bag inside out. Does say not to tumble dry. All those washing instructions are in the app and things. And if you're giving this as a gift, I always kind of just write a nice little tag or print something out and pop it onto the item too. I just think that's always helpful for the recipient. So this is getting nice and cool now. So the glass mat always helps. I'll say you could just let it do it by air if you have a little bit more patience than I do. But I'm going to turn this over, and now we get to do the fun part, which is peel off this acetate. So we're going to peel off our piece here. You can see here, just peel it back nice and slowly. If you get any resistance, you may just go back with your EasyPress, but we're not having any resistance here. You can see how well this peels off. And there we go. There is our Teach, Love, Inspire bag that we're going to Maddie's teacher for the end of the year with some of her teacher gifts in. Super, super easy. I love this. I'll also be doing some other teacher gifts, so check those out on the channel, and we'll create a playlist for those as well with teacher gift ideas. So you can check that out, and you can check it out in the top right hand corner too. Thank you so much for joining me here at Hedgehog Hollow. Don't forget to check out our perks program too. Again, top right hand corner for all the details of that. Lots of savings on all of your crafty purchases. Thanks again for joining me here at Hedgehog Hollow. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and hit that join button. And do give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video, of course. And I'll see you again tomorrow with some more fun tutorials, tricks, tips, or maybe something else. I'll see you then. Happy crafting. Bye.